Hello, friends. Do you want to learn African drum? Well, you are at the right place. Let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today, we are going to teach you the second class of binary improvisations. On the previous video, I already taught you the tempo beat. Now we're gonna move to the improvisation beat, which are 4 tones, 3 tone, space, tone, then double tone, space, double tone, 1 tone, space, 3 tones, last one will be 4 tones, like this. Got it? Let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play together with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of binary exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. Please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye!